Hey everybody, it's Prospermation time. All right, so our Prospermation for today says, I can't lose anything that is mine by divine right. Ashe. That is so true. If something is for you, it is for you. It is meant for you and you can't lose it. So whether it's a relationship, a job, no matter what it is, if it is for you, it is going to be for you. So you don't have to fret if something is going to go away. If you desire something and you don't get it, if you don't get what it is that you desire, then maybe that desire wasn't really for you. You know, I know there are homes that I've been looking at, and then I'd see that the home was under contract or something like that. Well, to me, that means that either that home wasn't meant for me, or maybe that home is not meant for me right now, you know? So I don't get too bent out of shape when something that I desire, I don't receive because maybe it wasn't for me, you know? I know I talk about this a lot when it comes to relationships, because oftentimes we want a relationship and we want it to work out so badly or whatever, and then the person may leave or whatever, or they may cheat or something like that. And I'm like, you know what? If that happens, then maybe that person wasn't for you, or maybe they weren't for you right now. Sometimes it's about timing, and the person, maybe they're going to be for you, but maybe it's going to be later. You know, maybe there's still some healing or some learning or some growth that needs to take place. But anyway, don't sweat it if something ends up not being for you, because you can't lose something that is yours by divine right. All right now. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.